In this video, we will be going over some integration formulas that you should know when it comes to solving basic integrals. So first of all, we know that the derivative of x to the n is equal to n times x to the power of n minus 1. And the integral of x to the n is equal to x to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. And you have to add the constant, which is denoted as c. Next, we know that the derivative of just a constant is equal to 0. And then the integral of 0 is actually equal to a constant. If we have the derivative of a constant times x, the derivative of that would be just a constant, denoted as k in this case. And then if you want to take an integral of just a constant, the integral will be k times x plus c. Next up, the derivative of sine x is equal to cosine x, and the derivative of cosine x is equal to negative sine x. And we can see that the derivative of minus sine x is actually equal to minus cosine x, and the derivative of minus cosine x is actually equal to sine x. So now let's do the integrals for each one, or the antiderivative. So the antiderivative of cosine x is equal to sine x plus c. The antiderivative of minus cos x is equal to minus sine x. So minus sine x plus c. And the integral of minus sine x is equal to cosine x plus c. And the integral of sine x is equal to minus cosine x plus c. And here's an overview of everything. Next up, the derivative of tan x is equal to secant x squared, which means that the integral of secant x squared is equal to tan x plus c. Next up, we know that the derivative of e to the x is equal to e to the x, which means that the integral of e to the x is equal to e to the x plus c. Next up, we know that the derivative of ln x, also known as the natural logarithm of x, is equal to 1 over x. And this means that the integral of 1 over x is equal to, this one's a bit different. So ln absolute value x plus c. So just be sure to remember the actual absolute value here. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And thank you very much for watching.